LEX'S Dirty Maintenance Show.
A sweet power slide. Welcome to another Dirty Maintenance Show. Got a GE dishwasher here. It's stopping right in the middle of a wash. That's where it stopped. I started it and it just stopped right there. I think we got a bad timer here. Yep, just a GE dishwasher. Yeah, it's still got water in it. We're gonna have to drain the water. And then I'll show you how to put in a new timer. Just, these knobs just pull off. Hey kitty. Just pull that right off. Just take these screws out and this piece will lift up and separate from the front here. Then we'll put our new timer in. We'll turn the power off. Dishwasher and disposal, number 11. There we go. Alright, now we got all the screws out. You can just take this here and set it off to the side. Just set it over to the side. There's our timer right there. We're going to pull it out. That's pretty much just plug and go. Unplug that. Make sure you get these in the groove there. And take out these two nuts. It's easy as that. This is our new one. Plug it back up. There's only one way to do it, so you can't mess it up. Just make sure it's in there good. And that's it, man. We just replaced a dishwasher timer. It's just 2 screws, 2 plugs. Give you the inside look. Alright, now we'll screw that back on and try it out. Yeah, when you're putting the inside of the door back on, you want to make sure you get that out. Make sure that's on the outside. See how it's stuck in? I'll have to pull it out. I'll just line up the screw holes. There we go. See how that's out. Line the screw holes up. Screw it back down, you're good to go. Alright, cool, we got it screwed down. Got our new timer in. We'll put our knob back on. We'll have to line it up whenever we get it in there. Let's see here, which way are you facing? There we go. Just push the knob back in. Alright, we'll go turn the breaker on and fire it up. And all we gotta do is make sure it goes past that. That's where it was stopping, right about there, right in the mid-cycle. Alright, I've decided to play around a little bit while I watch the dishwasher go through a cycle. I just want to make sure it completes. Put my meter out, I got it on continuity test. Let's roll through the prongs here, see what's going on. Continuity there. Continuity there. Continuity there. Let's try on the other side. There. Oh, nothing there. Oh, watch out, kitty. So we got hello. Continuity there. Continuity there. There. And then we go to the other side. Continuity on that one, but not the middle one. Trying to keep it from sliding here. The cat's trying to get up in the shot. No continuity there. And no continuity there on the end one. This is the bad timer. And as you can see, it has gotten further than where it was when we first started. I think it stopped like right in between the hot start and the heavy. Alright, that's how you do a GE dishwasher timer. Nothing to it. I've worked on multiple brands and it's all pretty much the same. Whirlpool, Hot Point. It's all the same stuff inside of a different box. Alright, there you go. Thank you all for watching The Dirty Maintenance Show.
Personas son celosas y no sé qué hacer. Desde niño tomé vino y toqué la música.